y'all, it's your girl ChynaMa'Rae, and I'm back with another video. So first of all, if you new here, hit the subscribe button. Just hit that. Ooh, y'all seeing all my little raggedy hair, but you know what, I ain't gonna even edit it out because I keep it real with y'all. Okay, I keep it real with y'all. If you are new here, then please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And also like this video and comment down below. You can leave anything, y'all. Like, just leave something. And also share this video because we are on the road to I'm about to say 100 subscribers. God, we bypassed that. Big ups to you. Yeah, we're on the road to 300 subscribers. So if you hit that subscribe button, you will be doing such a huge favor to me, and I'll love you forever, I promise. Let's now just get into this video because I was sitting here looking at myself, looking at my eyes in the mirror, and I'm like, you too bald head by the eyes right now. Let's do some clusters. It's so sparse because I really be doing clusters. Like, I be doing this. I really be doing this thing. So that's why I'm not a lot on here. So I think I'm gonna do some shorter lashes today. But and all the clusters that I had seen on TikTok at first was just like out of hand, too much money. And I almost don't want to give y'all the link to these because if y'all start buying them, they might up their price, but they might already be done up the price by the time I'm making this video. So I don't know. But this is unsponsored. This brand did not reach out to me to, you know, promote them or anything. But I'm not a gatekeeper. I just can't help it. I'm not a gatekeeper. I don't want to show y'all something and then not give y'all the link to it because I hate when people do that. I hate when I go on a video and they show you something and they don't want to provide the link and you comment down below where you get this from, where you get this from, and then they still don't respond and tell you where they got it from. So I just put all my stuff in the description box down below because I'm not a gatekeeper. So these clusters came from TikTok. I should have did a little unboxing video when I first got them, but I didn't. See, these trays done been through a lot with me. So yeah. But we about to just get straight into it because I don't want this to be a long video, but I want it to be thorough. So what is this? So with these lashes also comes the bun and the seal, of course, and also these tweezers to apply the lashes. The first step that you're going to do is take that bun and apply it to your lashes. You're going to coat your lashes very well with the glue, okay? Now, this may be the tricky part to a lot of people because you're having to go under your lashes to apply these lashes. Now, I don't like to go and apply these lashes directly under on like my waterline, you know, the top waterline of my eye. I try to keep them on my lash, but sometimes it don't work out like that. However, it's not a hard process at all. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to be popping them lashes on so quick, just like I'm doing. So just continue to try and you'll get it. It's not hard, girl or boy. Like, just keep trying with it. Now, after you apply your lashes and get them all like you want them, you're going to take that seal and you're going to go over your lashes. And it's supposed to seal like the glue and make sure that they stay on because these lashes can last you up to, I know, up to a week. I ain't never just wore the lashes for a long period of time just because I be ripping them off my eyelashes. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. I just do because I don't wear lashes as much as I used to. But these are really convenient when I just want to have on some lashes and don't want to be putting strips on every single day. You could sleep in them. You could wash your face with them. You just have to make sure that you don't get them wet because they can come off just like when you get the individuals. I love the lash clusters though, y'all. I would choose lash clusters over the individuals just because it's a lot less time consuming, and also this is something you can learn to do right in your own home. You don't have to pay nobody for it, and you can do them as many times as you want to because the trays come with a lot of clusters. And another thing that I like about them is that they also start all the way up to 20 millimeters and they go down all the way to 10 millimeters. So it's so many different lash maps you can create with these clusters in the comfort of your home. And y'all can't tell me it don't look like I just got my lashes done. You can't tell me that. Yeah, can't tell me that. If you were just seeing me on the road, you wouldn't even know that I just did these at my house. Overall, I love the lash clusters, y'all. They're not hard to learn, and they're super easy and quick to do. It doesn't take you long at all, and you save a little bit of money, so it's a win-win. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I would add some bottoms, but I really don't feel like doing all that. As y'all can see, this is how my lashes turned out. Let me look up so y'all can see what it look like on the bottom. They don't look exactly alike, which I don't mind that, because when I be looking at videos of some lash techs, they don't always look exactly alike, and I think that's because people's eyes be kind of different, and my eyes is kind of different. I feel like this one is way more open than this one, so I guess I could say I kind of feel like I got a lazy eye. I don't know, don't look too much in the camera. I'm trying to see if I really do. That ain't your business. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you want these lashes or anything like that, these lash clusters, then they will be in the description box down below. They did come off of TikTok. Hopefully they still have them on there, because as y'all can see, I'm running low on my trays and I haven't ordered any more yet. So if you did not subscribe on your way in, then please make sure you do it on your way out. Hit that post notification bell, and also comment down below. Leave a like on this video and share, because we're on the road to 300 subscribers, and we're so close. We're so close. I think we need like 20 more. Hit that subscribe button. Come on. Do that. Do that for me. That's gonna be all for this video, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. We can't just be talking about it.